All right, good day, viewers. Good day, viewers. Today we'll be looking at mathematics. The topic is the arithmetic progression. The arithmetic progression AP. All right, so AP is also known as a linear sequence. AP is also known as a linear sequence. Okay. Now, when you're looking at an AP or a linear sequence, you must consider the first term. You must also consider the common difference and also the nth term of the AP. We have a question on the board. It says the 16th term of an AP is 93. Given that its common difference is 6, find the first and the 28th terms. I repeat, the 16th term of an AP is 93. Given that its common difference is 6, find the first and the 28th terms. Alright, now let's look at that question. So we are told that the 16th term of the AP. First, you look at the nth term. The nth term of an AP is given by Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. The nth term of an AP is given by Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. And a is called the first term, n is called the number of terms, d is called the common difference. Then Tn is the nth term. Now, first we look at that of the 16th term. You see, for the 16th term, you have that n is equal to 16. For the 16th term, you have that n is equals to 16. Okay, so T16 will be equal to a plus 16 minus 1 times d. Alright, and this will give us a plus 16 minus 1 is 15. Multiply it with d, you have 15d. Okay, so you'll be having a plus 15d. And then we are also told that the 16th term is equal to 93. It says the 16th term of the AP is equal to 93. So you equate this to 93. Equate this to 93. So you're having a plus 15d equal to 93. Now, we're also given the common difference. We're given the common difference as 6. The common difference is 6. See, its common difference is 6. So you'll be having this. You have this. Say if d is equal to 6, you come here, you're having a plus 15 times 6 equal to 93. Alright, and then we know that since the common difference here d is 6, we then have to substitute it here. Then you multiply it. 15 times 6, 15 times 6 gives us 90. We're having a plus 90 is equal to 93. The next thing I'll do is to collect like terms. By collecting like terms, this plus 90 will cross over to this place and it changes to minus 90. So I'm having a equal to 93 minus 90. So this plus 90 will cross over to this place and it changes to minus 90. Okay, so I'll be having a equal to 93 minus 90 will give me 3. So I have my first term as 3. See, therefore the first term is 3. So the first term of the AP is 3. Alright, So we started from the nth term of the AP. And we had that Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. And actually the number of terms was 16 in this case. The 16th term here shows that the number of terms will be 16. Alright, so when you see the 16th term, you just know that n is equals to 16. You indicate that. Now it means that T16 in place of this n, in place of n, I write what? 16. It means that T16, so it means that T16 will be equal to A plus, in place of this now, I'm writing 16 again, that's 16 minus 1 times D. So in place of n, I substitute it with 16, and I substitute this with 16 as well. So I'm having T16 equals to A plus 16 minus 1, which gives you 15, and 15 times D is 15D. I'm having A plus 15D equal to 93. Yes, it is 93. Why? Because we are told that the 16th term of the AP is 93. So this now, T16 will be equal to 93. Alright, so you equate that to 93. Now, we are also told that the common difference is its common difference is 6. Now, hence the common difference is 6. Since it is 6, you said if D is equal to 6, if D is equal to 6, you then have to substitute. And by substitution, you're having that A plus 15 times 6. So in place of this D, I replace it with what? 6. As 15 times 6. 15 times 6 gives me 90. So this is A plus 90 equal to 93. Now I had to collect like terms. I collected like terms. And by collecting like terms, you observe that plus 90 will cross over the equality sign. The moment it crosses this equality sign and it moves over to this other place, it becomes negative. So plus 90 crosses the equality sign to this place and it changes to minus 90. It becomes a negative value. Now 93 minus 90 gives us 3. Now our first term, the first term of the AP is 3. Alright, now we are also told to calculate the 28th term. It says, and the 28th term. Now to find the 28th term, we have that n in this case is equals to 28. So you go back to the formula for the nth term of an AP. This becomes T28 equals to A plus 28 minus 1 times D. Okay, and this now will be equal to, A plus 28 minus 1 gives you 27. That is plus 27 multiplied by D, that is 27D. Alright, so we are having the 28th term as A plus 27D. Now, however, we actually have the first term. We obtain the first term, you say, but your first term A is equals to 3. And then we're also given the common difference, and the common difference was given to us as 6. The common difference was given to us as 6. So the next thing I'll do is to substitute into this equation. And by substitution, you'll be having that T28 will be equal to, in place of A, I write 3. I write 3 plus 27 times, in place of D, I write 6 times 6. And this now will be equal to 3. Okay, this is 3 plus 162. When you multiply 27 times 6 gives you 162. And when I add it now, I'll be having 165. Final answer, 165. 165. Alright, so we actually obtained the 28th term as 165. Now we said, let me repeat it again. They said to find the 28th term, you use the formula for the nth term of an AP, and the nth term of an AP is this Tn equal to A plus open bracket n minus 1 times D. Tn equal to A plus open bracket n minus 1 times D. And in this case, our nth term, the number of terms here, the number of terms is 28. So n is equals to 28. That is when you are considering the 28th term. N will be 28. So if n is 28, substitute into the formula by means of substitution. This becomes T28 equal to A plus 28 minus 1 times D. So in place of that n, you are writing 28. And now this is 28 over there. And 28 minus 1 will give you 27. 27 times d. 27 times d gives you 27d. That is 27d. And then you're having a plus 27d. Now, you also continue, you say, but the first term, but a is equals to 3, and the common difference d is what? 6. So by means of substitution, this becomes t28 equal to 3 plus 27 times 6, and 27 times 6 will give you 162. So this is 3 plus 162, which is what? 165. Final answer, 165. Okay.